To order a custom-made external projection frame, it is necessary to measure the opening width and the opening height of the window. Let's take a look at how to install a projection frame with a shutter box inside the window compartment. Insert the plastic entry guides on the sides of the previously assembled shutter box. Then insert the guides. Connect the crossbar to the mobile guides using the inner stoppers. Place the frame and the shutter box inside the window compartment. Leave a 2 mm width of space to prevent the crossbar from scraping against the wall. Continue by installing the guides in correspondence to the outer side holes. Then drill holes on the side of the shutter box to fasten them to the wall. Fasten the crossbar. Connect the arms to the guide and fasten them to the wall through the central hole. To prevent the arms from clattering against the guides, move the upper part of the nylon rest arms slightly forward, then complete installation. Continue by placing the iron tube and the rolling shutter into the box. The frame is now correctly installed inside the window compartment. In a case where the shutter box is mounted on the opposite side, switch the direction of the guides. The hinges should be faced towards the top of the shutter box. Connect the crossbar to the mobile guides and position the projection frame into the window compartment.